Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachna. So I'm back with my another video, like how we can create the notes and attachment from the plugin in the MS CRM. So I'll quickly go to the code, like how we can create it, the notes and the attachment to that notes in the Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So this video is I am making on the requested by someone in the my comment section below. So someone has requested that I want the video on the how we can create the notes and attachment from the plugin. So here is the video. Similarly guys, if you want me to create a video on a particular topic, please comment below. I will make sure that I'll cover that video in my upcoming series. Okay, so here if you can see my screen, like this is the code basically, and that we create by using this we can create the notes and attachment using the plugin in the Microsoft Dynamics CRM. The important factor, like so to create the attachment into the Dynamics CRM, you need to create the annotation entity object and then give the subject that attach on this date and the file name. Suppose if you want to create the PDF file, then give the file name and the extension and the document body. The most important part is the document body should be converted into the two-way 64 string. Okay, otherwise it will not create your, it will create a problem while you are attaching. It could be the file is not in the proper format, it will not allow you to open this file. Okay, so the data that you are converting, attaching to your nodes, it should be converted into two-way 64 string, and then give the object id. Object id is nothing but like on which entity you want to attach this attachment. Okay, to which section. Okay, to create the notes and attachment, it is first you need to add the timeline into your like form of the CRM, and in that timeline section you will get the notes and attachment section, right? So there this attachment will be created. So I, after giving all these information, I have done the service dot create and notes. Service dot create, like you need to create your service in your plugin, and then using that service you can organization service, basically you can create the service dot create node. Then this attachment will be created into your CRM with all these information. The important factor guys that I am going to tell you is here, it is very important. Like we get so many struggle, or like how we can convert that PDF link to the attachment. Suppose you have a requirement where you have given some PDF. Okay, so like this is the PDF link, https or something, you are getting some name rachna.pdf. Okay, and this is the link, and when you hit this link download the one attachment into your CRM, into your local system. So and you want to convert that link to the PDF format. So the what you need to do is you need to pass the string URL as a PDF link to the string URL. You need to create the web client. Okay, you need to create the web client and then simply use this object request or download data. This is very important like factor which I'm going to tell you here. This is request or download data and the string URL. You just need to pass the string URL, and you need to get that data into the byte format. Otherwise you will again face some problem. So you need to pass it as a byte data one request or download string URL. So this basically download your data whatever present into your PDF into the byte format, and this byte format you need to convert into the 64 string, and then simply attach to your document, and this will create, it's a working code I have created using this one. So this will create your notes and attachment with the PDF using the PDF link. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like my video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I will meet you in the next video. Bye.